Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to share something that really caught my attention, a new tool called StudioBook AI. If you've ever dreamed of creating your own digital book, course, or guide, but felt overwhelmed by the process, this might be something you'll want to hear about. Let's be honest, most people who try to create digital products never finish. Writing takes time, motivation, and structure. That's where StudioBook AI claims to change the game. It combines AI and your own voice to help you create a complete, formatted, and sellable digital book in under an hour. You simply record yourself talking, like explaining a topic to a friend, and the AI turns it into professional chapters, formatting, and layout automatically. The platform even includes a niche profit scanner, which analyzes real market data to help you choose topics that people are actually buying. Once your content is processed, you can export your finished book as a PDF or Word document, ready to sell across multiple platforms: Amazon, Apple Books, or even as premium PDFs and print-on-demand products. What makes this interesting is that it doesn't just help you create the book, it gives you 4 income models from the same content. You can sell ebooks, premium PDFs, interactive workbooks, and even printed copies, all from a single recording. The creator, Justin, also includes a 3-day live masterclass showing how to publish, price, and promote your products effectively. While the marketing makes big claims, the idea itself, using AI plus your own voice to build digital products fast, feels like a glimpse of where content creation is heading. If you've been wanting to start your own digital product business, StudioBook AI might be worth checking out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.